You take a picture.
This my own.
We're gonna go to
You want to watch Abby do them?
You want to sit with me, Claire, so you can watch Abby?
Put it up
You
here.
videotape that?
Come on, Abby.
Come on. Do that, Abby. Can I get a picture of Abby, please?
Oh my goodness. Ariel's styling.
What is that, Abby?
It's Ariel's styling.
Is that what you were saying you wanted, Abby?
That's what she was giving out maps to the store for.
Oh, on the right. It was on the right. Okay, let's do it.
That's what she was talking to, telling her how much she loved her.
We can style her. Can't we?
After your girl.
We can get selected on it.
Can you turn around so I can see it?
Look at me.